Hello, crypto. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Rules Everything Around Me. Cream. Follow the cream, get closer to your dream. This channel is created for technical analysis, entertainment, and educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take anything I say here as financial advice, and everything's strictly my opinion. And it's also a way to track the performance of the cryptos I'm invested in. Alright guys, early morning, 7:07 a.m. As you can see, Bitcoin is green. Let's get started. Okay. So Bitcoin is on a green, 1.8% up. All right. The high of today so far within 24 hours is 39,680, low of 37,543. I was scared to see Bitcoin when I saw it hit 37. I'm like, fuck, this is it. It's gonna go down, right? But it held. So let's go to CMC. All right, so the market cap right now is still at 1.7 trillion, guys, and Bitcoin dominance is still at 42%, while Ethereum is at 19.6%. Big news today. I think the whole market's anticipating what kind of news the Fed will come out with, and as you can see, it is not. We already know interest rates are going up, but not sure if the markets are already moved towards this news, or if they move even further. We already know interest rates are going up, and we just want to see what their plans are, I guess, on what the government will do to see if we will fall into another recession, maybe, since someone mentioned it in some of their channels. So keep an eye out for this. They might print more money, making the dollar more useless. And yeah, we'll just have to see how the market reacts later today, guys. We'll see. But for now, market looks like it's rebounding, and let's start charting Bitcoin. Yeah, the reason why I did an early TA today, because my brother needs my help checking out some properties up somewhere west in Ontario. So yeah, usually, before I start doing these videos, guys, I want to let you know I used to trade early in the morning, like around 5-6 a.m. Make a couple thousand here and there, lose a couple thousand. So not every morning was a profit day, but yeah, this is the time I usually do my trades, around 5 to 6 a.m. Then take a nap around 11, 12, and then do another trade session in the afternoon. I think the best way is I think the market, when you start trading, you learn when there's high level of volume of trading and which hours of the day. So I think the most time I was most profitable is around 5-6 a.m. and then before the market usually closes around 8 p.m. for me. But other than that, anything in between would just be like sudden market fluctuations, and I try to stay away from that. But yeah, maybe I might get into recording early in the morning now, just so at least get out of the way. Anyways, as you can see, it's a nice green candle forming here. This is the daily chart, and as I mentioned, if I zoom out, right, we look like we're still staying in an uptrend somewhat, and I don't want to say that it will hold, but it's just because that trend was broken. As you can see, that green line, the price went below it. Unless the price goes back up and sits above this green line, this uptrend, then maybe we might be going up. But keep in mind, guys, this small relief rally could nothing more than just a dead cat bounce, right? A dead cat bounce is just a form of when the market shows it might recover, but it's basically just a fake out of a last pump before the major dump. So don't get caught in the dead cat bounce. There's another technical term for it, but that's just my way of explaining it. If this green candle, or if the next few days, if we don't beat this high right here, or maybe even this high at 42,000, it just shows that it's a weak rally, and it's just another fake out to fake some people out, thinking that the bullish rallies coming in again, and then it dumps on them yet again. So just be cautious. It could be a possibility. This could be another dead cat bounce. And yeah, as I said, it has to beat this 43,000 around here, the 200 EMA, in order for it not to be a dead cat bounce, right? And here, let's get into the MACD. Look at that. The confirmation is there. The green line did touch the red line, so it did form this candle. So if you were in this trade before, right, then you probably made some nice profit. That's at least $1,000 and something, $1,000 and some odd dollars. So it just goes to show that these bullish cross do play a role, but it is a lagging indicator. The only question is, the only perfect play is if you reduce the time frame to maybe 12 hours, 4 hours, you could have caught this nice green candle. So what I would like to see is this green line to continue above the histogram volume, right? This is the histogram right here, and that is the zero line. I want to see the MACD go above the histogram. But with the bear sentiment in the market, I'm starting two scenarios. Like I said in my last one, it could just hit the zero line resistant, then dip back down. I would rather see it do the first arrow where it goes over the zero, right? And then just say, you know what, we're not in a bear trend, I'm gonna do what I want to do. And then we go back on full mode. That's if we live in a perfect world, in a bullish world. But we all know that the market will always do what it wants. So as much as I wanted to do that, just be wary of all the fake outs. All right, guys. So the bullish cross is confirmed in the MACD. We'll see how far it'll take it. And then the next one will be, as I said, the resistance is here at 48, 50-ish levels, right? So we need to see the RSI break above this resistance line. And from what I'm seeing currently is the support held. Sorry about that. So the support held for now, right? And at the same time, it's too soon to judge, but I am seeing an uptrend, higher lows. So yeah, this even though the price action doesn't seem like it's much, I'm seeing some small trends in the RSI. Like I said, higher lows. We held a support line. We need to break the next resistance line, and yeah, then like I said, be wary of the dead cat bounce. Just because we're seeing some green candles, don't get too hyped, don't get too excited. Take profits when you can. Crypto is very volatile, right? So that's the day. Let me put some resistant prices for you guys. So if this trend continues, we're currently testing the 10 EMA, and the next one will be this 20 EMA at 39,500, right? So that's one right there. Let me make that a little thicker. Let me change the color to that, just so you guys know. And my big one is always the 50 EMA, 50 EMA, right, which is at 40,700. And if it breaks that, the next one is obviously the 200 EMA, guys, which is right here. The price action is at around this price range. So yeah, those are the resistance lines. One at 39,500, second is at 40,600, and the third one is at 43,157. If the support levels break, let me move that for a second. Alright, so the support levels that we need to keep an eye out is these levels right here, and these are the critical ones. Whoops, sorry. Right. So if this is just a fake out, the next support level would be 36,000. Right. This is why I was getting worried when I saw the Bitcoin go down up to 37 right here. It hit like 37.5. I thought it was gonna test 36,000 level. So I'm glad it didn't. We're in a green, but it's never out of the picture, right? And then the second support level is right here. So So these are my support and resistance level, guys. 34,000 and 37,000 flat. No, 37,096 and 34,800 are the next support levels. If this price action fails within the next few days, right? But I'm confident for now. We have the bullish cross confirmed. RSI is making higher lows, and we need to break that 48 level. So that's the daily on Bitcoin, and plus we have the Fed news, guys, so trade accordingly. We don't know what kind of news they're gonna come up with. We do know interest rates are going up, but other than that, it is what it is, right? So I also want to show the new marketing thing Dogedash put up. But before we do that, let's go check the price pool. Price pool is at 1.2 million Dogedash, valued at $294. Last night I was playing and I was ranked at like 86 or something, so I made some nice gains. I'll show you guys my new Excel sheet on my profits and gains. And yeah, so far there's only 64 players on Dogedash, so there's still spots for another 36 to make the top 100. So start dashing for today, guys. Still early. And this is my Excel sheet for my profits and losses that I'm tracking while I'm playing. So yesterday, right, I spent 6 dashes, but I was playing normal mode, which cost me 500 Dogedash, right? So it cost me 3,000, but I made it in the price pool. I was ranked 86, and the price pool was at 70. The amount I won was 79,014 Dogedash, and the dashes remaining currently right now, I have 35 dashes, right? So I can dash 7 more times to try to make it to the 100 top 100 ranking. So I basically made profit of 4,914 Dogedash. I spent 3,000 but made 4,900, right? So I more than doubled. And if you look at the value wise, it's not much, but eventually when Dogedash goes up in value, these prices in accumulation will be worth a lot more in the future, right? But that's me just being bullish. So that's the new way of me tracking my profits and my and how much dashes I spend, right? So far it is profitable making the top 100 as long as you play near perfect. So you have to be really good at the game, right? And let's look at the chart for Dogedash. The reason why I like using DEX tools, guys, is because here's the thing. It shows you the volume of the day. I like using PooCoin because it has like a different feeling. It looks cleaner, the chart, but it doesn't give me this info unless someone can tell me or show me in PooCoin on where this information is, and I'll start using it. But so far today's volume for Dogedash is 89,600. So we're a little bit down from yesterday. Yesterday we were at 100,000, right? So yeah, it's not much though. We're only at what, 11,000 shy. But we are still uptrending. This is a 12-hour chart. Let me break it down to 4 hours. Currently we're up within 24 hours, 3.9%. In a week we're up 14%. So 4 hours, we need to break this resistance right here, and I think we are coming close to it, just because that's where the wick of the candles are. We need to break 2.6. We are at 2.5, and the support levels are right here for Dogedash, which is obviously the current price action we were at, right here. So 1.9 is a strong support. And the next one below that would be this. And another one would be the really bad one, would be this one. At 1.6. Alright, those are the support levels. Alright, let me change the resistance. So the first resistance we need to break is at 26. And the next one will be, that I see, in my personal opinion, this resistance right here at 2.8. and then a big one that was formed as a support right here at 3.5. It would be nice to get there, right? And what are we seeing here, guys? The bullish cross forming in the MACD, I mean in the EMAs, right? 50 EMAs about to cross over to 200 EMA. If you guys still don't know what that is, if you're new to my channel, the 50 EMA is the yellow line and the 200 EMA is the pink line. And I explain what they use, what they do on my previous video on the top right corner. If you still don't know what it is, click it now and get educated on the indicators that I use, which I explain what MACD, EMA, and RSIs are. So again, this is a bullish cross I'm seeing. Once the yellow line pierces through the pink, which is a 200, that's more bullish actions. So I hope if the team is watching to release more news soon, because we are seeing another bull trend happening. And to show an example what a bullish cross does, again here, when I saw it before the news came out, right? Here it is, the bullish cross, the yellow crossing over the pink. 50 and 200 EMAs are very, very good indicators for bullish and bear trends, guys. So learn them. And once that happened, the price just jumped, right? So hopefully the team released some next good news, and we will mirror this price action over here on the left, right? It would be nice to see some nice solid green candles again, and breaking these resistance, and then breaking these, and then making new highs, which is breaking these four-ish levels, right? I want to see these highs over here, which is 0.7s, right? So I'm being optimistic. The team is coming up with some big stuff. Again, execution is everything, right? If they time all the news up properly, we could be seeing some nice gains sooner than later. So yeah, this is what the Dogedash is. Again, I'm seeing a bullish cross. We did a bullish cross here at MACD. It is kind of in MACD, look like it is kind of curving down a bit, the green line, but I hope it just does that and then shoot back up after confirming this bullish cross. And RSI is nearly at overbought. Let me get that right now. So 69 level currently, but we all know anything around 70 is overbought, so that's when most traders take most profits. But we can see RSIs go over beyond 70 levels, so let's hope it goes up to 90 and carry this continue this bullish trend. That's a 4-hour chart for Dogedash. Let's see a quick one on the 12 hours and then end this video. Let me erase those. Again, the gap between the 50 and 200 EMA is still far. It's still out of reach, but anything's possible if the price action is strong enough. It could drive that 50 EMA line closer to 200 EMA faster than what it looks like. But for now, it's still coasting. Although we do see a bullish cross here forming, right? So if you guys notice, each bullish cross there is a big candle forming, so it's good to time those bullish crosses, guys, because you could see some nice potential gains. And the 12-hour RSI is currently at 55. I would like to see it. Yeah, it is now currently just testing or just riding on the resistance, right? I'd like to see the RSI pierce through there soon. And yeah, it's nice to see these all the EMA lines are now crossing over each other. But the next one, like I said, the biggest movement is when the 50 EMA crosses the 200 EMA. So the 12-hour chart, let's wait for it. That's all that's happening for now, guys. And I've already posted the resistance and support levels. So before we end the video, I want to show you guys a tweet from Dogedash. I think they're just starting their marketing campaign already. It's good to see. But before we do that, I want to share a conversation that I had with my friend last night, because there's a lot of fake outs in the crypto world. This is what I showed what me and my friend were talking about. Oh, it's nice to see you guys retweeted. Thanks for the support, guys. So last night I showed my friend BTC chart, and I showed him the MACD. It's about to do the bullish cross, right? And I told him this look like it's about to set up for a crash because due to the Fed news, everyone's anticipating it might go down, right? So then he noticed the RSI is low. I noticed that MACD is about to do the bullish cross, and I'm saying the market already moved due to this news. It's nothing new. They already know that the rates are going up. So some people might be just trading based on fundamentals. So if they are trading on fundamentals with interest rates going up, whatever news the Feds come up with, they might think it's bad news and they might be getting ready for a short position, right? So, but with the charts lining up, it looks like if you're shorting, you might get joked for a fake out, but also the charts are lining up for a fake out on a bullish cross as well, right? So let's say the charts are showing very, very bullish indicators, but then the news from the Feds are so bad that it could just fake out that bullish cross and just say all your long positions will just easily get liquidated. So as you also mentioned, a sell-off could be done, but it could also joke and dip a little bit lower. So for today, it will be, as I said, it will be the game of joke. Will it joke going up or will it joke going down? Right, so pay attention to the market today, guys. We'll see what kind of plays they have. And then what I want to show was this, actually. HelloOne HQ. Is it easier just to type Dogedash? Let's see. Okay, honestly, where is it? Let me just navigate this. Sorry, guys, I just don't want to drain any more time. But I did. I remember retweeting it. These are my things. Here it is. This is what I want to show. So Dogedash posted this commercial. This is not the this is you guys don't know who this is. This is Sofia, the brand ambassador.
What do you do for a living?
I actually play video games.
What kind of video games?
Crypto play to earn, specifically Dogedash.
What's Dogedash?
I actually have it on my phone. So it's this game.
Oh, cool. How can I play?
Just go to the website. It's dogedash.com.
Look at that Lambo, guys. How sweet is that Lambo? Alright, well, yeah. At least they're showing something, at least, you know. HelloOne HQ, yeah. So at least they're doing something. It's good for them to see showing some form of marketing again. And yeah, it's still early day, 7:30 a.m. If you guys are trading, be careful today. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed the information I've shared, please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.